In this video, I'll be going over negative exponents. First, we have to switch to reciprocal. And secondly, we need the negative exponent to become positive. Below are 6 examples, and we'll be going over each one of them. The first one, 10 to the negative 5. The first step, what we want to do is we want to place a denominator underneath. Then we will want to swap the denominator to the numerator and the numerator to the denominator. Then we want to change the negative 5 to positive 5. So it would look something like this. 1 over 10 to the 5 value. Now why does the negative 5 becomes positive 5? Because once you switch the exponent from the numerator to the denominator, then the sign will change from negative to positive. So now that we have done this, all we gotta do is take 10 and 10 to the power of 5. So this will be 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, and that gives us 10,000. So the answer is 1 over 10,000. Moving on to the second example, we have 6 to the negative 3. So we'll do the same, adding denominator 1. Now we're going to go ahead and do the swap. So this will become 1 over 6. Then we will change the negative 3 to positive 3. So this will be 1 over 6 times 6 times 6. Inputting that in the calculator, you'll see it becomes 1 over 216. So that will be your answer to number 2. Now what about number 3? 7 to the negative 2. Adding the denominator, swapping 1 over 7 squared. And that's simply 7 times 7. So 7 times 7 equals 49. And then we have our answer as 1 over 49. Example 4, a to the negative 3. Adding the denominator, swapping, changing the sign from negative to positive. And you'll notice the more that you do this, the easier it gets. So it will become 1 over 8 over 3. So it will be 1 over 8 cubed. So that will be 1 over 8 times 8 times 8. Punching that in the calculator, 8 times 8 times 8 is 512. And so that's your answer for example 4. Example 5, 9 to the negative 3. Swap, changing of the sign, 9 cubed, 1 over 9 times 9 times 9. And that gives us 729 as the denominator. And 1 over 729 is the answer. Last example, we have 15 to the negative 2. So adding denominator and then swapping 1 over 15 squared. That's 1 over 15 times 15. And that gives us 1 over 225. So these 6 are examples of how you would solve negative exponents questions. You want to first switch to reciprocal, then changing the negative to positive. Then you have your answer. Hopefully this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.